Did you know that viral TED Talks have almost double the number of hand gestures than the least viewed talks? The ratio is almost 272 hand gestures to 485. Hi everyone, my name is Suman and welcome back to Soft Skills Studio. I think this statistic from TED Talks is so useful for us in today's times, and we're all boxed up in screens and we have our face and our hands to create all the impression that we need to in our communication. So today I'm going to talk about a hand gesture tip which can really transform your non-verbal communication game in virtual meetings. The tip is called anchoring. It's nothing but using different points in the screen to anchor your thoughts. It creates an additional verbal cue apart from what you're trying to tell people and explain to them. Now, how does this work? You try and pick different points in the screen to talk about different points. For instance, Project A and Project B. This is what Project A is all about. This is what we're going to do, and you complete this. Project B is about this, and this is what we're going to do. Okay, so this way people can see two different things that you're talking about. You could talk about high expenses and low expenses, and how do we bring high to low. You could talk about different points in time as a timeline, right? So you could say in 1990, this is where we were and this is what we did. 2000, at the turn of the century, this is how the business changed. Now in 2020, this is what we hope to do. So you go ahead and you anchor that in three different points. And I've personally used this tip, and I feel that this kind of gives hand gestures a more meaningful use when we're actually talking to people. And I think we really need things like this, especially when we are boxed and we really can't use a whole lot of body language. Let me know how you like this tip. If you did, please hit like, comment on the video, share it with people if you found it beneficial, and also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming tips like these. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.